We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan from Onyx Imaging. Today we're looking at this HP Photosmart C7280. The problem that we're having with it is those smudges on the paper after using the skin bed or the document film. So what we're going to do is open it up. I'm going to use glass cleaner and a lint-free rag. We're going to put the glass cleaner on the lint-free rag. We're not going to put glass cleaner directly on the glass. We don't want it to get underneath it and cause more trouble. So we're just going to clean it off. Make sure to get all the tape residue and smudges and everything off of it. So once it looks nice and clean and you're happy with it, we're going to close it back up. And at this point we would put test pages through it to make sure that all the smudges and lines are gone. If it's not, then you would repeat this process until it looks great.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.